Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will teach you step by step how you can create a vertical video using the Shotcut video editor. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, and you can do this with just a few clicks without being a talented or experienced videographer. So let's get started. In the first step, launch the Shotcut application on your computer, launch a new video project and add a video clip to your library by clicking on open file here and by uploading the video clip you would like to edit from your computer. And after that, drag and drop your video clip on your timeline here on your video track. There you go. Now watch it in the preview mode. As you can see, this is the 16:9 aspect ratio. And now I would like to switch to an aspect ratio of 9:16. So the typical format or aspect ratio they feature on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So to do that, guys, select your video clip on your video track here. And after that, head over to your settings by clicking on settings here at the top. Select video mode from that drop down menu. Select that option here at the very bottom, custom. And after that, choose add here. That will prompt that window for you where you could choose from a wide variety of aspect ratios and resolutions. Like for example, you can switch from 16:9 aspect ratio to 9:16 here. You can do that manually or simply use a preset here to the right. Confirm by clicking on OK here. So as you can see, your video is now in the 9:16 aspect ratio, which may allow you to publish it as a TikTok video or YouTube short. However, in addition to that, I would suggest you adjust also the size and position of your video clip, or to be more precise, of items or persons depicted in the video clip. Like for example, I would like to put that guy here in the center of the video clip. You can do that really quickly by simply applying a filter. Select your video clip on your video track again, and after that head over to the filter section here to the left, click on that plus icon and search for a filter called size or rotation. There you go. And last but not least, simply adjust the size and the position of the video clip like that. You can do that manually by dragging the corners or edges of the video clip. So let me do that really quickly, just like that. And there you go. That's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.